5 logarithms related to the logarithm problems. So here the problem is write the following expressions as log n and find their values. అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకు ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేసి ఇచ్చాడు, అంటే ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ యూజ్ చేసి మనం వన్ సింగిల్ లాగరిథమ్ గా రాయాలి. సో జస్ట్ already you know these are the properties of logarithms. Okay, now use these properties while solving the problems. So now log 2 base 10 plus log 5 base 10. Actually the problem in the textbook is log 2 plus log 5. So this is called as a general logarithm. మనకి ఇక్కడ లాగరిథం లో బేస్ ఇవ్వాలి అంటే మనం ఎంత తీసుకోవాలి, 10 తీసుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ లాగరిథం ఎంత తీసుకున్నా 10 తీసుకుంటాం, ఇక్కడ కూడా 10 తీసుకుంటాం. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, this is in the form of log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. Now you go for the formula log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. Okay, that is log, this can be written as log x into y to the base a. So that is log x into y, that is 2 into 5, log 2 into 5 to the base 10. So that is log 10 base 10. The answer is 1. Now the second problem, log 16 to the base 2 minus log 2 base 2. Okay, so log 16 to the base 2. Now this is the formula log x by y to the base a equal to log x base a minus log y base a. So now this is in the form of RHS, log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. That is log 16 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. So now we can write this one as log 16 by 2 to the base 2. Log అంటే మనం LHS లాగా రాస్తున్నాం, log x by y to the base a. Log 16 by 2 to the base 2. That is 16 by 2 means 8. Log 8 to the base 2. Again log 8 can be written as 2 cube. Log 2 cube to the base 2. Again this is converted as a power formula, log x power n to the base. That is, we can write this one as 3 log 2 base 2. That is 3 into 1 equal to 3. Now this is already in the formula, power formula, 3 log 4 base 64. So we know the formula for the power formula, that is log x power n to the base equal to n log x base a. Now this problem is in the form of RHS. We need to convert this one into LHS. That is n log x base a. We are writing this n log x base a as log x power n to the base a. So again that is log 4 cube base 64 means log 64 to the base 64, which is equals to 1. Okay. Now these are the three problems which are in exercise 1.2. Second problem. Okay, 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2. So if the base is not mentioned, you just suppose that base as 10, which is called as general logarithm. So again this is the form of power formula n log x base a. n log x base a means log x power n to the base a, log 3 square to the base 2 minus log 2 cube to the base 2. Okay, now log 3 square means log 9 to the base 2 minus log 8 to the base 2. Again it is in the form of log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. Log x to the base a minus log y to the base a means which is equals to log x by y to the base a. Okay, so that is 8 to the base a. Okay, that is log 9 by 8. Now we will solve third question. Given, evaluate each of the following in terms of x and y. Given x equal to log 3 base 2, y equal to log 5 base 2. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్నింటినీ కూడా మనము x and y ఫామ్ లోకి చేంజ్ చేయాలి. చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు, log 15 to the base 2 అని ఇచ్చాడు. log 15 to the base 2 అని ఇచ్చాడు. మరి ఇక్కడ 15 ని ఈ 3 5 తీసుకొని ఏ విధంగా రాయొచ్చు అని ఆలోచించాలి. ఇక్కడ to the base 2 అంటే మనం log 15 ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు, log 3 into 5 to the base 2 గా రాసుకోవచ్చు. Okay, so that is log 3 into 5 to the base 2. So this is converted as log x into y to the base a. Log x into y to the base a అంటే మన ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. Okay, that is log x into y to the base a equal to log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. Now similarly you can write this one as, in place of x we are having 3, in place of y we are having 5, in place of a we are having 2, that is log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2, but it is given as log 3 base 2 is nothing but x, log 5 base 2 is nothing but y, so that is which is equal to x plus y. So that is simple ga log 15 base 2 is nothing but log 15 base 2 is nothing but x plus y. అంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ ఉన్న ప్రాబ్లం ని x and y ఫార్మ్ లోకి చేంజ్ చేయమంటున్నాడు. అంటే log 15 base 2 can be expressed as x plus y. So now the second problem, log 7.5 to the base 2. So we can write this 7.5 using 15, that is log 15 by 2 to the base 2, log 15 by 2 to the base 2. So what is the formula for log x by y to the base a? Log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. That is, this can be written as by using this formula, log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. In place of x we are having 15, in place of y we are having 2, that is log 15 to the base 2 minus log 2 base 2. So in the previous problem, what is log 15 value we got as x plus y. So log 15 base 2 can be written as x plus y minus here log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2 means log a base is always 1, that is x plus y minus 1. So that is, you can write log 7.5 to the base 2 as x plus y minus 1. Okay, now log 16 to the base 2, log 16 to the base 2, so that is log 60 to the base 2. 60 can be written as 15 into 4. So I think you may want out why I am always converting by using the 15, because in the first problem only we got log 15 base 2 value as x plus y. That's why I am changing this n values by using 15. Okay, so again it is in the form of log x into y to the base a, that is log 15 to the base a, that is log 15 base 2 log 4 base 2. Now log 15 base 2, you know that log x plus y, this can be written as log 2 square base 2. Now x plus y, again this is the form of power rule, log x power n to the base 2, that is 2 log 2 base 2, because log x power n to the base a equal to n log x base a. Okay, that is x plus y plus 2 into log 2 base 2 means 1, that is answer is x plus y plus 2 of exercise 1.5. The problem is expand the following. So log 1000, so log 1000 already I told you anything is not given in the base, we need to take that one as common logarithm 10, that is log 1000 to the base 10. So that is log 1000 can be written as by using 10 cube base 10. Now it is converted as power formula log x power n to the base c. So that is log x power n to the base c means n log x base c. So that is, you compare this with this formula 3 log 10 base 10, that is log a base a is 1, so it implies 3 into 1 equal to 3. Answer is B. Now here log 128 to the base 625. So now this is the form of log x by y. Log x by y to the base can be written as log x minus log y. Now again we know that this 128 can be written as 2 power 7. Log 2 power 7 minus the 625 can be written as log 5 power 4. So again this is the form of power form. Log x power n to the base e. Base is not given here, take as 10. Or you can leave it like that only. Okay, that is 7 log 2 minus 4 log 5. Okay. Now this is in the form of log x into y into z. You know the formula for log x into y, that is log x plus log y. But here we are having 3 terms. You write those 3 terms as log x square plus log y cube plus log z power 4. That is, again each of the term is in the form of log x power n, x power n to the base. That is 2 log x plus 3 log y plus log 4 log z. Okay. So this is the expansion of this term. Okay. Now again you have the fourth problem. Fourth problem as log p square cube divided by r power 4. So first of all, this is the form of log x by y. We need to convert this into log x minus y. Log p square cube minus log r power 4. Now this is in the form of again log x into y. That is, in place of x we are having p square, in place of y we are having q. That is log p square plus log q minus, this is in power formula. That is log x power n to the base. That is 4 log r. Okay. Now this can be written as again 2 log p plus 3 log q minus 4 log r. So this is the expansion of this problem log p square q divided by r power 4. Now again we have the fifth problem as log x cube by y square. So this can be written as fifth problem. Log square root of anything can be written as x to the power of 1 by 2. Square root of x can be written as x to the power of 1 by 2. So that is x cube y square whole power 1 by 2. That is again it is in the form of log x power n. Now this can be written as 1 by 2 log x cube by y square. Again it is in the form of log x by y. That is 1 by 2 into log x cube minus log y square. Again it can be written as log, that is 1 by 2 into 3 log x minus 2 log y. If x square plus y square equal to 25x, right? Then show that 2 log x plus y equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. దీన్ని మనం ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఏమి ఇచ్చినప్పుడు x square plus y square equal to 25x అయితే 2 log x plus y equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. దీన్ని మనం ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ మనం వారు ఇచ్చినట్టు రాసుకుంటాం. గివెన్ x square plus y square equal to 25xy. ఓకే. సో ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లం ఎప్పుడైనా సరే మనము ఇప్పుడు అది దేన్నైతే చూపించాలో దాన్ని బట్టి మనం ముందుకెళ్ళాలి. చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఏముంది 2 log x plus y ఉంది. మనం పవర్ ఫార్ములా ఒకసారి చూసాం అనుకోండి, n log x base a ఏమవుతుంది, log x power n to the base a అవుతుంది. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఈ 2 అనేది వైపు వస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, x plus y whole square అవుతుంది. అంటే మరి x plus y whole square ఫార్ములా ఏంటి, x square plus y square plus 2xy. మరి ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు, x square plus y square మాత్రమే ఇచ్చాడు. మరి ఇంకోటి చూడండి, ఇక్కడ 3 log 3 ఉంది. 3 వైపు వస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, 3 క్యూబ్ అవుతుంది. 3 క్యూబ్ అంటే ఏంటిది 27. అంటే ఇక్కడ 25xy ఏం కావాలి 27xy కావాలి. ఇక్కడ x plus y హోల్ స్క్వేర్ చేంజ్ చేయడానికి దీన్ని యాడ్ చేయాలి 2xy ని యాడ్ చేయాలి. కాబట్టి మనం ఏం రాసుకోవాలి యాడ్ 2xy both sides and 2xy both sides, that is x square plus y square. I am adding 2xy both sides is equal to 25xy plus 2xy. Now this is converted as identity x plus y whole square. This one is 27xy. Now apply logarithm both sides. Now apply log both sides. Then log x plus y whole square equal to log 27xy. Now this is in the form of log x power n to the base a. That is, this can be written as 2 log x plus y, which is equal to, this is in the form of log x into y into z. That is log 27 plus log x plus log y. Now LHS we got 2 log x plus y equal to, this log 27 can be written as log 3 cube plus log x plus log y. Now again it is in the form of log x power n to the base a. log 3 cube వచ్చింది అంటే మనం ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చు 3 log 3 రాసుకోవచ్చు. this log x plus log y.